Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable handoff on your iPhone. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here. You click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on airplay and hand off, you just click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to hand off, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's many hand off enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.